Creating a custom QR code in Unicode is surprisingly simple, and in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. But stick around to the end because I'll also share some other tools that might actually do it better for your needs, especially if you want more customization options or additional features. First things first, let's dive into Unicode's interface. Once you log in, creating your QR code is as easy as selecting the type of code you want to generate. Whether it's for a website, social media, or contact info, Unicode gives you a range of options. But here's the catch, you don't just get a basic QR code here, you have the ability to personalize it. That's what sets Unicode apart from some other QR code generators, which often stick to a standard, plain design. Next thing, the customization options. After selecting your QR code type, Unicode lets you add logos, change colors, and tweak the shape of the QR code itself. This is where you start to really make it your own. However, compared to more advanced competitors, Unicode does have some limitations. For example, the logo integration can sometimes result in less scannable codes if you're not careful. But for a quick and simple solution, it still works pretty well. The third thing to note is the download options. Unicode allows you to export your QR code in a variety of formats, including PNG and SVG. This is essential if you're using the QR code in high-res print materials or need it scalable for various applications. But I will say, some other tools offer more detailed export options, like vector files for even higher quality scaling. Now, let's talk about tracking. Unicode does provide basic analytics, which is useful if you want to see how many times your QR code was scanned. However, it lacks some of the more in-depth tracking features that other platforms offer, like geographic or device-specific insights. So, if analytics are a major part of your strategy, this could be a limitation for you. But here's where it gets interesting. While Unicode offers a solid set of features for creating custom QR codes, it's not necessarily the best option for everyone, especially if you need advanced functionality like batch QR code generation or more detailed data analytics. And that's where some of its competitors really shine. Now, I promise to show you an even better option. If you're looking for more robust QR code creation tools, I recommend checking out Insert Competitor Name. This software not only allows for more detailed customization, but it also offers better tracking and analytics for your QR codes, which can make a huge difference in your marketing efforts. Before I wrap up, I want to mention something special. We've worked out an exclusive deal for you. If you check out the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of Unicode or a competitor, which you won't find anywhere else. Plus, I've included a few more alternatives in the description, so you can explore different options that might better fit your goals. So, whether you decide to stick with Unicode or try out one of the alternatives, you're covered. Make sure to grab that free trial and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.